All right, we have Aria, 29th floor. Let's take a look at this room right here. It's room 29165. So you can have like low ceilings in the hallway. It's about 8 feet. LED lights. Okay, let's take a look. Okay,
Oh, this guy's holding the door open.
this room is like $350 a night. It's really nice. You have a crazy view. You come in here, have a desk.
Yeah, you have the TV. It's really like contemporary.
Let me show you the
style.
view from above. It's amazing. So, 29th floor. You have this crazy pool.
It goes to at least 54, and
Down
I don't know
below?
if there's suites on top of it.
Yeah. Which tower is this right here?
So that's a Cosmopolitan.
Yeah.
Like you can see the Aria tram on the bottom.
Let me see if I can grab this
See
really
that?
fast. There's a tram right there.
Yeah. So supposedly that's free. That'll take you to Bellagio.
I want to show you. You can actually see the Paris tower from here, like the Eiffel
Yeah,
Tower.
so in between the two towers of the Cosmo, you can see the legs of the Eiffel Tower. You can see the link.
Yeah.
Are you able to see that from here?
Let me move this way. Yeah.
You can see the link. You
Little
can
bit.
see actually the Paris Hotel,
Yeah.
and then you can see Planet Hollywood. Let's come back this way. a
Yeah.
little
Planet
bit.
Hollywood's on the right side. Time.
You can see the pool there too.
Yeah. Okay.
It's pretty cool.
So let's take a look at the room some more. So what do we have here?
Yeah, so look at that. You have like a built-in, fridge. I'm not gonna open it because they might charge you. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, this like really modern design. It's pretty monochromatic in terms of colors. There's only a couple pops of color with the art, but you got two beds here, and it's like really high tech. So you have like a screen over here that controls everything. And look at how nice it tells you the time. It tells you the weather. Room service.
Yeah, you can order sushi from here, man.
Yeah, dude.
And Starbucks.
And your Starbucks coffee in the morning.
Yeah.
And the
It's definitely
it controls the blinds, so you can like wake up in the morning and not even get out of bed and open the blinds. It's pretty cool.
nice.
So let's check out the bathroom here. Bathroom's pretty crazy.
Okay.
So you have your shower and your tub in one area. It's like a wet room.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
Sky likes it.
Yeah.
Say hi. Hi to everybody on MyHeaven channel. Okay.
And then we have this like granite countertop,
Nice.
floating shelves.
LED lights.
Well, that's nice. That's actually what you're supposed to do is have the lights on the side
Oh,
instead
yeah?
of above you, like when you're doing makeup and stuff.
Oh, nice.
And then your toilet is even enclosed. You see that?
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Nice. There's a toilet. And you have a phone. So
It's
you can call the president. Yeah.
it's all wallpapered.
You call Donald Trump right here.
Oh man,
So you're fired.
it's wrong tower, dude.
It's the wrong tile. It's the wrong tower. Get down.
Okay. And then there's some closets over across.
Yeah, we gotta see this. This is really cool because when you come in, you have all this storage space.
Yeah.
You can put your clothes in here.
And some robes.
Yeah.
Iron.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's pretty nice.
Oh, careful.
And then
That's-
you have this
Can you open that one? Or
side, yeah.
open this one right here. No clothes. So it's
A
he's
little
in
stand for the,
and hers.
yeah, little stand for your
Or
luggage.
hers and hers. And
And you have the sliding door to the bathroom.
ah.
It's pretty efficient in terms of a
Nice.
space saving for the door.
Yeah, let me show you the door. Your exit door here.
Yeah, so like, look at all the control panels here.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Nice.
Press the button for
Definitely
service.
more up to date
Yeah.
than like some other hotels on the strip.
Oh, now you like it. Oh, now you're getting excited. Okay, thanks for watching.
Let's check out this one more time. I want to show the. Oh yeah, so there's some art in the wall. Do you know how to control the blinds or the curtains? There's a button you can press to close the curtains automatically. So like these curtains, You know, they have motors on top, so you can open and close them automatically. Let's check out the view one more time. It's pretty amazing.
There you go.
Yeah, so I'm gonna step back. So we just press the button on the computer, and look at that. It automatically closes the curtains for you.
You can close the blackout curtains or just the shears.
Yeah.
So you still get the natural light, but have a little more privacy.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna open it. Just show you how it opens. Let's open it. But see, you get really nice privacy. It's nice and chill. This is actually a pretty cool room.
Some really modern houses actually have that in their house.
Another phone here.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, you can see the curtains open automatically. That's pretty cool. Yeah, and you have 2 beds. I mean, they're like, I think they're queen size maybe.
Yeah.
So it's 2. All right, so we'll wrap it up here. So this room is about $350 a night. Like on the normal.
During the week?
On the normal day. On the
Probably on the weekend it's like $500-600.
On the weekend it's like a lot more.
Yeah.
It's 500 plus. So this kind of gives an idea.
Get a view of the freeway.
Kind of gives you an idea what you get for your money. It's definitely nice. It's definitely quite a lot of money. If you stay here for a month, how much money are you gonna spend? Like 10,000. Yeah. All right. Hi guys. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you next one. Bye guys. Bye bye.